Alright, right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to remove the annoying modal windows that certain sites have when they want you to sign up just to be able to actually browse the site. Because I saw one of these things on Facebook and I wanted to browse the site and it wouldn't let me browse the site without either signing up with Facebook or signing up for an account. And you know that means that you're gonna have one more bullshit crap that to send you an email. Um, so I saw this one here and it looked pretty interesting, and so I was like, oh wow. And of course, this is gonna be using the Chrome Development Console or whatever it's called, or Firebug or whatever else you have. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this post here because this seemed kind of interesting. I've seen a lot of these on Facebook lately, and uh, it's really unique furniture and stuff, so I really like it. But it's also really expensive, but you know, it's like whatever. So I'm going to click on here, and then you see the first thing you see is it grays out the back, and you see that I can't click on anything. But if you notice, the website's still working. This is important because some of them will actually not do it. Some of them will actually have just an image or something. It won't actually be a functional website below the modal window. Modal window just means that you can't do anything else except for interact with this piece right here. So right now, I don't even have to type in my email address and continue or sign up with Facebook. But you know, I'm basically like, fuck that because I don't want to do that. So I'm going to right click on this window, click on inspect. Now you're going to have to figure this out, which is which, because it's not always going to be this apparent. You'll see in a moment. Inspect element, and you see it selects this modal body sign up. So it's like, okay, I'm going to do the parent one here, so it gets rid of both of these. So right click on here, click on delete node, boom, that's gone. Now you see that it's still, I still can't interact with the website. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go out to the outermost edge so it doesn't, because what this is this is like a layer on top of the entire website. Um, that has a background and it's like tinted or whatever. But the thing is, it appears over top of everything else, so it's preventing you from interacting with everything else. So I'm going to right click on here and click on inspect element, and then I'm going to, I see how it says div class modal backdrop fade in. I'm going to right click here, delete node again, and bam, I can look at the website. So now I scroll down here and you can see all the stuff they have. I don't really like any of this stuff. I want to show something else that I thought was cool. I was looking at coffee tables, and you see it pops up again. No big deal. Right click, inspect element, delete node, inspect element, delete node. Come up here, and I really like this one. This one's really cool. This reminds me of something like out of Star Trek. Have you ever seen like Star Trek: The Next Generation? To me, it kind of reminds me of like the table that would be in like Captain Picard's ready room. But anyway, so as you can see, yeah, I mean it's for what you see here, $350 seems like a bit pricey for that. But it is pretty damn cool. So, uh, you know. But anyway, that's how you do that. I've done this with a couple of websites in the past, and there you go.